Reviews best motorcycles with reverse gears. Suzuki V-Strom 1000XT. Good evening, and welcome to our show. Tonight, we're diving into the world of adventure touring motorcycles, specifically those that offer excellent touring capabilities and advanced features. While the Suzuki V-Strom 1000XT doesn't currently come with a reverse gear as a standard feature, it's still a highly regarded choice for adventure riders. Background and description. The Suzuki V-Strom 1000XT is a powerful and versatile adventure touring motorcycle designed for long-distance travel and off-road exploration. It's powered by a 1037 cubic centimeters V-twin engine that delivers a smooth and torquey performance, perfect for highway cruising and tackling challenging terrain. Key features and benefits. Powerful engine. The V-Strom 1000XT's engine provides ample power and torque for both highway cruising and off-road adventures. Comfortable ergonomics. The upright riding position and adjustable windscreen make for comfortable long-distance riding. Advanced electronics. Features like traction control, cruise control, and multiple riding modes enhance safety and convenience. Durable construction. Built to withstand the rigors of off-road riding, with a strong chassis and long travel suspension. Ample storage. Spacious panniers and top case provide ample storage for luggage and gear. Target audience and relevance. The V-Strom 1000XT is ideal for riders who are looking for a versatile and capable adventure touring motorcycle. Its powerful engine, comfortable ergonomics, and off-road capabilities make it a top choice for those who want to explore new horizons. Expert reviews. The V-Strom 1000XT has received positive reviews from both critics and riders. Many praise its powerful engine, comfortable ride, and off-road capabilities. One reviewer from Motorcyclist magazine said, "The V-Strom 1000XT is a fantastic choice for riders who want a versatile and capable adventure touring motorcycle. It's comfortable, powerful, and a lot of fun to ride." Comparison to other adventure motorcycles. When compared to other popular adventure motorcycles, the Suzuki V-Strom 1000XT stands out for its versatility and value. Its smaller displacement engine makes it more fuel efficient and easier to handle than some larger options, making it a great choice for new riders or those on a budget. Conclusion. The Suzuki V-Strom 1000XT is a well-rounded adventure touring motorcycle that offers a great combination of style, performance, and comfort. While it may not have a reverse gear as a standard feature, its powerful engine, comfortable ergonomics, and off-road capabilities make it a top choice for adventure riders. So, if you're looking for a versatile and capable adventure motorcycle, the V-Strom 1000XT is definitely worth considering.